Do you know 1 out of 7 people in India is suffering from mental health issues like anxiety, depression, and panic attacks? This has become a huge issue. You may be wondering what's the big deal in this, considering the hyper-complex environment that we are living in and considering the trying situations we have to go in. This is challenging when this becomes chronic. Most of us, without our knowledge, we are going through this chronic situations of anxiety, stress, and internally we are corroding the internal environment, which is causing challenges inside our life, in our relationships, in our health, and also in our professional and personal journey. Health itself is getting affected as we are compromising our systems like immunity, digestion, and developing conditions like high blood pressure and sugar. Anxiety becomes alarming when we are worried and scared about things, and when it affects our daily activities and our productivity and relationships and other things get affected in the process. Unknowingly, most of us go through this process every day and affect. I'm Sandeep Dash. I'm a happiness and mindfulness coach and an expert in the domain of